QUBT Stock Analysis and Price Predictions. Here's the buy. Watch the short 1-minute video till the end to find out. Quantum computing is, honestly, I'm actually a very big fan. Friday's performance is nice, 10% up. Because ultimately, if I look back, this is like 1 or 2 weeks ago, maybe 3, maybe even a month, I don't see. We'll see now. Yeah, 2 weeks back when I really began trying to long this the crap out of this. You know, it was 738 at the time. From 738 now we're 13. That's almost a double. It's almost a double. So how I look to double down on this is praying for some little confirmation, which I never got, unfortunately, but it is what it is. Let me just mark out the top here. Only if I do see the price pulling down and giving me some sort of shift, then and only then I'm going to be buying. But the last thing I'm doing is randomly getting involved. That's not going to happen. Because guess what? I've done it multiple times over and over again, and I've learned. So if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month with indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll continue to keep you updated.